With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is a pendulum suspended from the ceiling of a train has a time period of 2 seconds. When the train is at rest, then the time period of pendulum. If the train accelerates 10 meter per second will be g is equals to 10 meter per second here. So we have to find the time period of the will increase, decrease, remain unaffected or become infinite. So the solution of this question is we have the relation time period is equals to 2 pi and this is length and this is divided by g here. So m is the mass of the pendulum here and the period of pendulum is t. Then we have the relation is this. So let mass is equals to m and time period is t. Time period is equals to t here. So from this we have the time period for the pendulum is this, and when the train start accelerating with uniform acceleration, the pseudo force act on the pendulum in the direction opposite to the direction of train. As a result, we see that acceleration of the pendulum will also increase. It is due to the train is accelerating with uniform acceleration. Train starts accelerating with uniform acceleration. So from this we can write it, our time period is inversely proportional to under root g square plus a square, that is gravitational acceleration due to gravity and acceleration here. So from this we can say that time period is inversely proportional to acceleration. So we have time period is inversely proportional to acceleration square, and this is in root and this is in plus g square. So from this we can say that if acceleration increases, so time period will decrease. So from this we can say that net time period will decrease here. So this is our answer. Time period will decrease. So now we check which option is correct here. So our option B is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.